Good morning to you all my YouTube families. Welcome back to the channel, and if this is your first time here, all we do on this channel is lottery prediction, mostly on uk49s. All right, we analyze the numbers, and we also look for the possible numbers to drop on the next result. So if it's what you like, you can consider subscribing and turn on your notifications so that you will never miss my daily tips. All right, so yesterday we make some winnings, and I'm just gonna say congratulations to us yesterday. All right, so the numbers we got yesterday from the code, I share this code for you guys yesterday, and I also break the code into pieces, numbers, get the possible numbers out, and from the code yesterday we got three numbers from the code yesterday, and also on tea time from the same code we got two numbers again. So here is the code we share yesterday. Here is I gave you guys this code yesterday. All right, here is our code yesterday. All right, here is our code yesterday, which is 7252. All right, that is our code yesterday, and the numbers we got from this code yesterday is we got 7. As you guys can see, we have 7 here. All right, and we got 2, we have 5. All right, we have 5, we have 25. All right, we have 25. When you look here, you will see that this is 2 and this is 5, so which is 25, and we have 25 and we have 27. All right, we have 27 and 9 from the same code. We have 14, and we have 10, 3 and 35. All right, 3 and 35. So here is the numbers we broke out from the code yesterday, and 22. All right, and 22. So here is the numbers we broke out from the code yesterday. So if you guys pay these numbers correctly and make some winning from this code yesterday, congratulations to you guys. As you can see that we have 22 here from the code. As you guys can see, we have 2 here and we have 2 here, so we merge them together, it's going to be 22. I also break this code for you guys just like this, because this is exactly the numbers I gave to you guys yesterday. As you can see, we have 22 there, and on lunchtime we have 22 here, and we have 14 here. All right, we have 14 here, and as you guys can see also we have 14 here as well, and we got 35 here from the same code, and as you guys can see we have 35 here. All right, so if you got these numbers correctly, congratulations to you. And on tea time from the same code, you guys can see we have 22 repeated, which we also got 22, and 3, which we also have 3 here as well. All right, so congratulations to you guys yesterday if you make winnings from these numbers. All right, and also from the bankers that I gave to you guys yesterday, as you guys can see, you also have from the bankers I gave to you guys yesterday, we also have 22 from the bankers, 19 from the bankers, and also we also got 4 on lunch from the bankers I gave to you guys yesterday. And also on tea time, as you can see, 22 also repeated on tea time, and here is our 34 coming from 14 on tea time, and also we got 3 from the bankers, the same bankers I gave to you guys yesterday. All right, because the code numbers is different from the bankers I gave to you guys yesterday. So if you follow the code, congratulations to you. If you also follow the bankers that I gave to you guys yesterday, congratulations to you guys as well. And that is it. So when it comes to the code ball yesterday, as I told you guys, as we talked about yesterday, the numbers that is on the code ball yesterday, as you guys can see that 31 broke out, and 21 also broke out from the code ball yesterday. So this is exactly what I'm telling you guys. All you need to do is to exercise your little patience and focus more, so that you will be able to see when the numbers is about to drop. All right, so that is what I have for you guys today. And I also have a code for today that we can also share together and try and see what the result will turn out to be for today. All right, so that is it. And if you guys like exactly what I'm doing on this channel, do not forget to leave a thumbs up on this video, and also leave your comment if you have any questions. Okay, if you have any questions, leave your comment. And that is it. So let's do our analyzations. Let's do our lunch analysis for today, lunch and tea time. Okay, so as you guys know, but first of all, we're going to start from the code. All right, we're going to start from the code. So the code I have for today, is 7. All right, 7595. All right, so here is our code for today. So you can break this code on your own uh, best of knowledge, and I will also try to break the code as well, and let's see what we're gonna get out from this code. All right, so from the code, the numbers I have from the code is 7, as you guys can see, 7 there. From the code, 559. All right, 591, 16. Okay, 16, 8. All right, 18. Okay, 18, 35, 45, 25. Okay, 25, and 36. All right, so this is the numbers I have from the code. All right, so you compare these numbers together and see what the result will produce on today's lunch and tea time. So this is the code numbers, what I have from the code. So you can also as well, if you know how to break code very very well, you can also break the code by yourself and guess the most numbers out from this code. Okay, all right guys, so this is the code. I hope you guys write these numbers down. All right, so that is it. That is it, guys. Okay, that is it. So, and from our strategy that we have been following, as you guys can see that the wheel of fortune strategy is working perfectly well. All right, that strategy is working perfectly well. All that strategy needs is a little patience and focus for you, because when you focus, you're gonna be have that mind to track a number that you know, the number that has not dropped yet. All right, and follow up on that number. That is the strategy. Okay, so if you have not getting the wheel of fortune, you can go on the community tab there. I posted the wheel of fortune, so you can just view it. It's either you screenshot it, all right, you just screenshot it and just follow, or you can go back and watch the video and understand exactly how that strategy works. All right, so that is it. That is it, guys. All right, and so as you guys can see here, we have let me just show you guys this quickly. All right, let me just change my pen. I'm gonna change my pen. All right, let me change my pen. Why are you not changing? Okay, all right guys, okay, let me change my pen here. I'm gonna be using this color. Oh, which color? Let me see, this color. No, I don't like this color. Okay, let me use this one. All right, let me use this one. All right guys, so as you guys can see here, we have this number here and this number here. I know from the strategy, from the wheel of fortune, we should be expecting 30. We should be expecting 38 in any of the draw here. But what happened is that they are using that titles that I talked to you guys about. This is the delay titles, just to delay the 38. That is why they decided to repeat 29 here. All right, they decided to repeat 29 there, so we should be expecting 38 and 2. Okay, we should be expecting 38 and 2. All right, I hope you guys are picking this number, because this video is not going to be long. All right, so that is it. So guys, we have this number here. All right, and we have 38 here, 48 here as well, and 48 has not done anything on this draws. All right, he has not given us anything on these draws. So what we're gonna do is this: we're gonna look for the best possible numbers that will be coming from this 48. All right, so we should be expecting 12 and 32. All right, coming from 48. Okay, 12 and 32. 12 and 32 is very very important. All right, coming from 48. All right, so that is it. So guys, we have 13 here and we got 43 here, so this number will give us 7. All right, this number will give us 7. Okay, or they will repeat 13. All right, so that is it. That is what you guys should know. So as we have 10 here and we have 10 here, all right, so I don't know why they are delaying 23 and 46 in any of these results here. So what we're gonna do is this: we are expecting 46 and 23 from that trend, and most times they may decide to also repeat 10. Okay, so you should have that at the back of your mind, that 10 is also on line here. All right, okay, so that is it. That is it, guys. So guys, we have 30 here and we got 30 here, we got 3 there, and we got 21 here, and 21 is not done yet, guys. 21 is not done yet. These are the families of 3, so the remaining number that will be dropping from the family of 3 is 12, or they will repeat 21. All right, because 21 is still on the code ball. No matter this number came as bonus but it's still sitting on the code ball, that makes this number is not done yet. The number will repeat more often before it stops. All right, so bear it in mind. 22 is on the game. All right, so that is it. That is it, guys. So we have this number here and we got this number here, which if we do plus, it will give us 44, and from the calling it will give us 27. So let's look into these two numbers. All right, let's look into these two numbers. It's very very important. Okay, it's very very important. And guys, do not forget the numbers that is coming from the code, because the code is very very hot right now. All right, the code is very very hot right now. All right, so that is it. That is it, guys. So we have 4 here, and we have 15 here, and we have 40 here. Now this trend is complete now. All right, this trend is complete now. So now 4 will start to bring these numbers back. 4 will start to bring these numbers back, and 15, 40 and 15. So you guys should also look into this number and check your wheel of fortune and see how it works. All right, if you haven't watched that video, you can still go back and watch the video to understand the basic on how the wheel of fortunes work. All right, so that is it. That is it, guys. So we have 35 here, 35 to give us 16. All right, 35 to give us 16, or they may decide to repeat 19, or even 35 itself. All right, or 35. All right, so these numbers on the line, but the most number that is missing is 16. Okay, but let's also look into these numbers as well. All right, so that is it. So we have this number here, 18. 31 will give us 18. Okay, 31 will give us 18, so you can easily use 18 as your banker, or better still, you can play it as single. All right, so that is that one there. That is that there. So guys, we should not forget, sorry, so guys, we should not forget 3318. Okay, 3318. All right, so this pair is important on today's draw as well. All right, so okay, so that is it. So we have 6 here and we have 33 here. All right, we have 6 and we have 33. When you check on your wheel of fortune, you will see that the remaining number from that trend is 42. As you guys can see, when you look here, we can't find the numbers. All right, that is what I'm telling you guys, that these numbers can be delayed sometimes, just to take your mind off from these numbers. So all you need to do is to be picking these numbers and keep it. All right, and keep it, and that is it. That is it, guys. So what else do we have here? What else do we have here? So we have this number here, 47, and 47, and we have this number here, which will give us 11. All right, so we should be also be expecting 11, because 11 has been there for some time now. All right, it has been on the code board for some time, so we should be expecting 11 as well to drop on today's lunch or tea time. All right, on today's lunch or tea time. Okay, so that is it, guys. That is it. That is it. And these numbers here is on the code ball. These numbers here is on the code ball. Okay, these numbers is on the code ball, but these numbers is overdue numbers. 21 is not done yet, and 28 coming from 30. All right, these numbers are not done. All right, so we should be expecting these numbers. Okay, better still, you can get your bankers from here as well. We should be expecting these numbers on today's lunch or tea time. Okay, so these numbers are on the code ball, but they are overdue numbers to drop. Okay, so that is it. That is it. So guys, from the bankers I have today, the missing number and the bankers that I have got today is I have 46, 23, 32, 7, 38, 8, all right, and 18. Okay, and 18, and let's just add 11 here. Okay, so guys, this is the numbers that I have as bankers today. It's either you go with the bankers or you go with the code numbers. The code numbers, the first numbers that I have break out from the code. All right, so pair those numbers together and let's watch out for today's result. Okay, pair those numbers together and let's watch out for today's result. So here is the bankers, and we also have the numbers coming from the code. All right, so that is exactly what I have for you guys today, and here will be the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification, leave a comment if you have any question. All right, and I will answer you there. Okay, so guys, here will be the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.
Stories like this, make sure you watch 10 Myths About Food You Still Believe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.